ang ato niya is you have the OH minus. So, what are you getting here is your OH minus. So, therefore, you get the POH. If your Kb is high, what does it mean? Taas ang imong OH, strong base. Kung mubo imong Kb, weak base, mubo ang imong OH minus. Unsa imong POH? High. Kung high imong, okay, balihon na to. Kung high ang imong Kb, unsa imong OH minus? Taas yan. Kung taas sa imong OH minus, unsa imong POH? Mubo. Unsa imong pH? Taas. Diba? Gikan sa 7 pataas, basic. Did you get it? No? So, that is what we have in here. Okay, class, can I rest for a while?
Yes.
Huh? You can have your